Hello everybody, welcome to TriKdanG channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a new paper airplane, the Galaxy Wind Glider. This is a very unique paper airplane. It can fly for a long distance, but if you know how to throw it properly. But first of all, let me show you guys how the plane flies. This is a very unique paper airplane because it doesn't have the gap between the two wings, so you need to hold the plane at the handle underneath the wings. Anyways, let me pick up the paper and throw it in my hand. Let's hold the paper airplane right there. You can see it right here. Let me pick it up again, hold it right here, and throw it. When you throw the plane, make sure that your hands go straight. If not, it will fly to the right or left. But anyways, let me show you guys how to make it now. And now let me show you guys how to make the paper airplane. But before even making the paper airplane, let's study a little bit about the plane. This is a mid-range distance plane. This is a slow speed paper plane, and this is a glider. Also, it is very easy to make. To make the paper airplane, you will need a piece of US letter size paper, and the first step is to fold the paper in half like this. Make sure that you fold it slowly and carefully. And now let's crease out to create the center crease. Next step, let's open the paper, flatten it down, and start from the upper edge. Fold both sides of the edge into the center crease. So fold it slowly. One side first, the other side later. And now crease out the paper. Next step, let's fold the other side of the paper to the center crease. And then crease it down. Now let's start from the upper tip. There is a small tip on the top. Let's fold straight down. When you fold it down, make sure that it's going into the center crease. And now crease the paper down to create a new crease. Now you have a new crease. Let's start from the tip and fold to that crease. And now press down the paper. On the following step, let's flip the paper over and start from both sides of the paper. Fold both sides to the center crease. Adjust the paper if you need to. And now let's crease the paper down. One side first and then the other side. Now let's turn the paper and fold the other side to the center crease. Fold slowly. Curve the paper and fold down. And press the paper down. You can see here is the pocket. That's very important for us to on the next step. Anyways, just place the paper down and fold this part of the paper out to create the first wing. So you can fold straight into the intersection of this edge and the crease. Fold straight to the corner and press the paper down. Repeat the same fold for the opposite side. And press the paper down as well. Creases down well. Now the paper looks very good. Next step, let's use this point as a reference. And fold the paper down. Use the center crease as well. So make sure that the center crease on the upper part matches with the below part. I hold the paper up so that you can see here. And now let's crease this down. Let's fold this part of the paper up. When you fold up, hold slightly and curve it until you can fold it up above the edge just a little bit. Adjust the paper if you need to and press down the paper. You can see this crease right here. As there is a crease already, now I can press the paper down, make a very strong crease. I flip the paper over and you can see this part of the paper right here. I fold it up right now. I fold this edge of the paper to the center crease. I will adjust the paper a little bit and I leave a little tiny gap between the edge and the center crease. And I adjust the paper. Since there are many layers on the wings, it is tricky to fold it. But anyway, just do it slowly. Once you finish one side, repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Creases down. Adjust the paper if you need to. Press the paper it looks good. And I still adjust it anyways. And now I hold the paper up. I'll check on the top, on the back, and then flip it over. And I'll fold this pocket up backward. These pockets will cover the head of the plant. And now it looks really, really cool. And next step, I'm going to flatten the paper down, make sure that everything looks good. And I'll show you the handle where I hold the paper airplane right here. Next step, everything is good already. I flatten the paper down. And I'll start from the very, very end of the wings. And we're going to fold up to create the stabilizers. You can hold the plane right here anyways. Now let's flatten the paper down again. And then start from the very end of the wings and start create the stabilizers. You can fold the stabilizers up like this. This is about 1 inch distant. So it should estimate that it's about 1 inch. Just fold it up. This looks good. And now the paper airplane is completed. You can hold the paper airplane and test it out. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Again, if anyone asks you who teach you to make this paper airplane, tell them TriKdanG teach you how to do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.